What's up guys, today I'm replacing the handlebars on my 2007 Yamaha FZ6 with the new TC Bros drag bars I got on Amazon Prime for $26. I'll show you the before and after riding positions and why I chose the bars I did at the end of this video, so stay tuned, but let's do it. Alright, now that I have everything off, I'm just going to show you something really quick that I found. If you want a more sporty feel, if you're jealous of the R1s and the R6s, just get these little spacer things. Actually turn the handlebars upside down once you take everything off. These are the stock bars right here. Just turn them upside down and just slip them right in. And you have almost a sport bike feel right here. It's going to be really tight for the fairings and everything around here, but if you want that sporty feel, this is it feels just like clip-ons. Little trick. Alright, let's continue. Alright, so I put all these, the controls back on loosely on the handlebars. The handlebars I cut an inch off each side. They came 29.5 inches length, but I needed them just a little bit narrower for my bike. So I cut an inch off either side. And also with the handlebars that you could buy new, not for your bike specifically, you need to drill the holes in the handlebars for the control switches to sit in. So to drill the holes, how I measured is I just put everything back together where it should be. I put the grip on this side and the grip on this side. All the controls are back on and where they should be, and I just measured where the pin was in the control switches, and I marked it, so now I can just cut the holes out and get everything put back together. Alright, so I just got the handlebars on. It should take you about an hour and a half to 2 hours to do yourself. It took me a little longer just because I was making the video and I was taking my time, but about an hour to 2 hours to do yourself. Not too hard of a job. It is an improvement over stock, but it's not a huge difference. It's not like it's going to change your whole view of riding. It's just a little bit more comfortable, well-rounded for both touring and for city rides. The stock handlebars were more at an angle, so your wrists were at a funny angle when you're riding. So for long rides, it would just kind of get a little bit weary on the wrists. I ended up putting a 1-inch riser in the bars because when I didn't have the riser in there, the cables were actually kind of rubbing against the forks, and the clutch cable was touching the ignition key. So I thought I'd just give my cables a little bit of a break and put the risers in there. Plus now I can have a 12-volt charging station on my bike for my GPS, my phone, whatever else I need to charge. So that's great. Overall, I love the bars. I thought it's a great mod to do right now since I want to be touring California within the next few weeks. See you on the next episode of Inja's Garage.